Businesses are looking to accelerate everything: their apps, data, and innovation. Introducing HPE Primera, intelligent storage for mission-critical apps, delivering extreme resiliency and performance with the agility of the cloud. Powered with HPE InfoSight, advanced artificial intelligence predicts and prevents disruptions from storage to apps and automates support calls. HPE Primera features a multi-node architecture designed for extreme low latency at scale and mission-critical resiliency. Its unique operating system simplifies management and protects applications. For the first time, high-end storage can be self-installed and self-upgraded in a matter of minutes. Advanced data services ensure applications are always on. And timeless storage eliminates forklift upgrades and supports all your mission-critical applications today and tomorrow. Unlock the agility of the cloud and innovate without compromise with HPE Primera, the world's most intelligent storage for mission-critical applications.